The sun's so bright! I can't see my phone screen at all.
Ahem. It looks like you're having some troubles, friend.
Who's there? I can't see anything. What's going on?
Don't worry. I have a solution just for you. Ta-da! I have a box head just for you. There you go. Now you can enjoy the shade inside the box. There's even a spot for your phone so you won't have to hold it.
This video is so funny! I love it! It's my new fave. I can't believe they just did that to the teacher!
A job well done. I knew it would work because cardboard can do anything.
Yes! I've got more money that I can add to my savings jar! I can't wait until I've saved enough to afford a new puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppies are the best. I should start thinking of a name. Oh my! It's too dusty in this room. Huh? Huh? Achoo! Achoo! Oh, come back! Oh no! This is getting even worse! Please stop falling! Oh no! There it goes! Over the edge! Oh my, oh no, it cracked right open. Grandma! What happened to my puppy savings jar? Don't worry. Granny can fix this. I just need some cardboard. There. But I need a couple more of these to make some layers. And then I'll add some paint because we want it to be pretty too. Now for this circular piece, I'm gonna need some hot glue. And the doggy can sit right on top of it. Good boy. Next up, I'll add a jar right here with a slit in the lid. Now feed the doggy. Oh my gosh! Look at the coin! It's going right down to the jar! Yes! It made it inside with the rest of the coins! Ooh! It's so hard getting into the door like this! Phew! I made it! Oh my gosh! Honey! What happened to you? Oh well, I was playing soccer. Can't believe how fast I was running after that ball. Okay, and then what happened? Well, then I was fighting over the ball with one of their forwards. She was a tough one. But I knew what I was doing. I got the ball away from her. Then I was driving it down the field. And then… well, I tripped. On my own ankle. And down I went. And we lost the game because of that! All because I fell! Ugh! I'm so angry! Oh, I feel so bad for her. She loves playing soccer. Yep, I have a solution. Okay, let me take this pizza box and open it up like this. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Okay, now that the pizza's fully eaten, I can start to tape up these corners. Great! Let's add some green paper to the bottom. Now for some decorations. I really want this to look like a soccer field. Next up, straws. I'll bend them, slide them together, and then put them in place with some glue. Let's add some stadium decorations to make it look fun. Okay, this straw's for you, and this one for me. Now blow! Oh, I'm gonna getcha. You'll have to blow harder than me to beat me. Ooh, you almost had me! But I've got great defense! No way am I gonna let you win this! Yes! Goal! I win! Alright, time for a rematch then. Let's go!